Hi guys, this is Keshika and welcome to our channel Amethyst Awakening. Today we are going to do a pick a card yes or no reading. You have to think of any question in your mind, literally just any question, leaving aside criminal, medical and legal questions basically. And you can choose anything else. Think of it, ground yourself, ground your energy, center yourself in your navel. If there is another person involved, just think of you and the other person. Just remove extra people from your mind and extra worries and thoughts from your mind. And just center your energy on your question, okay? Once that is done, choose one of these four groups or four piles. We have this tiny yellow flower, which is group number 1. We have this orange hat, which is group number 2. We have, let's call her Miss Gooey or Miss Dog or something like that, Miss Doggy. Okay, Miss Bo Doggy is her name. She's group number 3. Then we have Mr. Big Ears, and let's let him be group number 4. Okay. Now you guys can pause the video here and make a choice. Think of a question, make a choice. I will see what you're reading. Hi, group number 1, welcome to your reading. Group number 1 is this yellow flower. I think this situation, something beautiful is going to come out of this situation. And what's the answer to your question? The answer to your question is yes. So something beautiful is definitely going to come out, and I think this is good news. Like, I think the yes is good news. So it's lovely. It's a very clear yes. Okay, guys, you don't need to worry about anything. And if you would like a private reading, please reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email ID, all of which are in the description box below. Support the channel in any way you can by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell, and commenting and engaging in any way you can. Please, 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 I would love that and be very, very grateful. Also, I love to know who you are, so I especially love it when you guys comment. Like, it's bliss. It's like so nice. And yeah, I will see you around next time. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 2. Welcome to your reading. I think some of you are worried that someone's making you a fool or something, because those from India or those who understand Hindi, the phrase that came in my mind the minute I picked up the hat was like, कोई टोपी पहना रहा है. So maybe like you're worried कि कोई टोपी पहना रहा है आपको, like someone's making you foolish or like fooling in the situation, or you're wondering if someone is or someone actually is. Let's find out. Okay, so whatever your question is, whatever group number 2's question is, Penny, what's the answer to that? Pendulum, the answer is no, and I feel like you can ask another time though, like the answer might change, but at the moment, the answer is no. Okay, group number 2, I really hope this helped you bring clarity, or like this hope. Why am I? Don't confuse things, group number 2. Right now, the answer is no. Though it could turn into a yes later on, don't let anyone fool you. Please clear your mind out, okay? I think the Toby Penane wala thing and yeah, the confusion energy sort of going hand in hand. So, you know who you. Group number 2, you know who you can rely on and what support you need and how to get that support. So, get that in the meanwhile, okay? While you can come around and ask me again or ask someone again if this is gonna happen or something else is gonna happen, but move up the ladder step by step and take support when needed in the situation. All right, that's the message that's coming across for you. The answer was no, but you can ask again, but right now it's a no. All right, now if you would like to look at your situation in particular, then you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email ID, all of which are in the description box below, and I would love to hear from you and set something up with you and just like take it from there. Also, if that's not something that you're looking at, but you would still like to see or get some more answers and you still have some doubts in your mind, then there are a lot of other pick a card readings on the channel that you can check out, and maybe your answer is lying somewhere in one of those videos as well, right? And other than that, I would love to know you stop by. So please comment below and so that I get to know you're here. And please like, please share, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. It really helps us grow and we can all grow together. And I would love to see you around again. So until next time, then bye bye, group number 2. Hi, group number 3. Welcome to your reading. I feel like some of you can actually like be in a very jumpy energy, but or like the situation can actually help you like leap forward, and you know, if this happens, it's gonna be like yay. Okay, but let's see, is this happening or like what is the answer to group number 3's question? Guys, it's a maybe. Okay, it's a maybe. Maybe you can make it happen. Yeah, maybe you can make it happen. Like you have what it needs and you can make it happen. So if there's something you can do in a situation that you have control of, then please do that. And otherwise the answer is or maybe, and just like stay in the right energy, stay excited, it might just happen. Okay. Now if you would like to get more specific answers in your situation, then you can always write to me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email ID, all of which are in the description box below, and we can take it from there and set something up as suitable in your situation. And otherwise, there are a lot of other videos on the channel that you can check out and get answers to. Maybe what you want to ask is already there. And other than that, please let me know you stop by the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support the channel in any way you can. I really appreciate it. And I am immensely grateful for you for watching this video, and I really genuinely do hope it helped you. I shall see you again next time. Until then, group number 3. Bye-bye. Hi, group number 4. Welcome to your reading. Now, you guys chose big ears, and I feel like you need to listen carefully in this situation and keep your ears wide open. Okay? Keep your ears wide open and listen very carefully. Now, let's see what the answer to your situation is, or what the answer to your question is basically. What's the answer to group number 4's question? The answers are yes, and I also hear that you will get to know if you listen. So like just calm down and listen. Stop talking for a while and listen. Like you really need to like listen so much. And sense things. Like I feel like, you know how dogs smell things and they can tell, and they can like tell who's a nice person, who's not, and like what's good and what's not, and spot the thieves and everything. Like you're gonna be able to smell it. You're gonna be able to sense it. Like you need a strong sense. Like really use your senses in the situation basically, and use all your sense organs to get the best out of the situation, the maximum information or knowledge. The answer though is a yes, and I really hope this helped you bring some clarity and guidance in your situation. In case you have more specific questions that you would like to look at on a one-on-one level, then my Instagram, Facebook, and email ID are in the description box below. You can write to me there, and I would love to set something up for you and with you, and like we can just read and meet, and that'll be really nice. But in case that's not happening right away, I would love to keep seeing you and helping you in whatever way I can through this through like these videos on YouTube. There are a lot more videos on other topics as well, just apart from yes or no readings, and you can check all of them out in the playlist section, which is the tarot readings playlist on the channel, and see whatever you're drawn to. In case you're drawn to something, then maybe your answers lie there as well. I hope to see you sometime soon. Please let me know you were there in the comment section below, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and support the channel in any way you can. I would be very grateful, and it really helps, and I just love it when I receive all the love. Like who doesn't like receiving love, right? Okay, so I'm gonna see you next time. Until then, group number 4, keep your ears open and your all the sensory organs active. Okay, smell, ears, touch, taste, eyesight, everything, like all your sense organs, and get like a full perception of the situation and not something that's limited, basically. Not partially, like entirely. Alright? I will see you around group number 5. Until then, bye bye.